Welcome to tip number 30. Tip number 30 is about pre-booking their next appointment. After all, I am the professional, I am the person that's supposed to be taking care of their car, and I know when the car should come back and should be serviced. So one of the secrets to getting people to pre-book, because even though I've been teaching this for years and years, I've had lots of people tell me, oh, it's impossible, you can't get it done, and yet probably 30 to 40% of the shops that I do work with do pre-book the next appointment. And one of the tips is to ask for it. In fact, don't even ask for it, you tell them that they have an appointment. You know, we're just like the dentist. We have a brand new program, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pre-book your next appointment. Now, I've already set an appointment for you on Tuesday, September the 23rd. And I know you don't know what you're doing then, but don't worry about it, because we're gonna send you a postcard or an email, you can do whichever one, about 3 weeks before, and then 3 days before, we're actually going to call you and make sure that you're ready to go. Now, if you're not ready to go, it's not a problem. At that point in time, if the car hasn't got the mileage on it or you're not ready to have it serviced, we'll just reschedule. So don't ask for an appointment. Everybody you ask for an appointment will tell you, no thank you. Tell them that they have an appointment. Then hand them an appointment card with their name and the date on it. A lot of people will take that appointment card, go back to their house, put it on their refrigerator with the magnet, and they'll see that every single day until their next appointment. Get it on your calendar. Get ready for it. Make sure that you have an email reminder set up or a postcard set up that can go out 3 weeks before, and then make sure that you do the reminder call 3 days before. Now, if you're going to leave a message, that's fine, because you're not going to talk to about 70-75% of your clients. You're just going to say, hey, we've booked you an appointment. You have an appointment on Thursday. Please let us know if you can't make it, because we booked set aside time with our technician, and you can call us at 555-5595, whatever the number is. Follow through with the expectation. If the customer does not call and does not show up on the morning of the appointment, call them and see if you can go pick up the car. Every time before they leave, ask them for their next appointment. No, excuse me. Every time before they leave, tell them they have a next appointment. Do it again and again and again. I actually had customers that would tell me, oh, hey Bob, before you leave, I've booked you an appointment. They go, yeah, I know, just where's the card, Cecil? You know, because they were so used to having an appointment. It's hard at first, but it gets easier and easier as you teach your customers about booking appointments. So please pre-book your next appointment. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this week's tip. For more information on the concepts we discussed, check out our upcoming classes at www.ifrabe.com/classes, or listen to the Leading Edge podcast at institutesleadingedge.podbean.com, where we discuss business topics just like this one with a panel of industry experts. You can also contact us whenever it's convenient, and we'll set up a free consultation on how the Institute can help you better your business, your life, and the industry as a whole. We'll see you guys next week.